In this video, I'm going to show you the exact way that I find your favorite influencers or your favorite pump and dumpers wallet addresses. First, you're going to search for any ticker. So right now, Borkdog is all the rage. And you're going to look for screenshots like this, whether it be a phantom wallet, whether it be a screenshot of a Trojan bot that shows the exact balance that they have for a variety of different tokens. Usually you want one or two. So for example, Resolvent, don't know who he is. I see that he's holding 16.06 million Borkdog tokens and 1.46 in Solana liquid tokens. So I already have the Borkdog opened up here on Dexscreener and copy the contract address of the token address that you want to reverse search. Then you're going to go to Solscan and you're going to paste in the contract address. And here we're going to go to Borkdog. Let's go ahead and scroll down to holders. And on the holders tab, you'll be able to see the top holders like you would on like Bird Eye, for example. It shows you like what percentage of the total supply that they own. So let's go back to this guy. He owns 16.06 million tokens. We're going to go ahead and find that. Sometimes it rounds up. So there is no 1606. There's a 1605. So we're going to make sure that this is in fact the wallet address. So let's go ahead and click on the account. And when we look at the token holdings, it looks like they do have 1.4628 Sol, which is what matches up on the screenshot that they posted on X. So this is more than likely the wallet that this person uses. And you can go and poke around on Solscan to see their different SPL transfers. So you can kind of see when they bought, what else it is that they're buying. So they bought, communist Milady, I assume that's what that's called. And yeah, if you want to take this a step further, go ahead and copy the wallet address, go back to Dexscreener on the Maker tab, go ahead and filter by that wallet address, and you can see that they've just been aping heavy. So they bought 4,000 USD 23 minutes ago, 1,600, 2,100, 2,800, 3,800. So it looks like they're really bullish on Borkdog, which is really cool. But yeah, that's how I find wallet addresses for people who like to flex their gains on X, or if they're just kind of sharing what it is that they're aping into. You can apply the same process to, again, like a Trojan bot, screenshot. Photon is a little bit more difficult, but maybe I'll make another video on that because that takes some math to kind of decipher. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. Go ahead and share it, tag a friend, and let me know what else you need help with. Talk soon.